Big Red Money Pit Garage. Welcome back, or welcome here if it's your first time. Just doing some ranch chores, picked up some hay and some grain. We have a new customer truck to do. Shout out to Cunningham for your bushings and pins. We're going to be installing that for our customer here on his 89 or 88. Forget which year it is. It's one of the two. And let me get some stuff rearranged here, pull it in, and show you what we're doing. What an awesome truck. It's gonna look so good when this guy's done with it. So happy to see that. It's true Choo Choo Customs. Love to see that these trucks are still getting used and worked on, instead of just sitting rusting away in a field. But as you can see, this door is sagging. And actually one of the pins already fell out. So we're gonna take care of that today for him. Like I said, with some Cunningham Machine parts. So I'll get it set up. We'll be right back. All right, so take the air hammer and take what's left of his wheel out. What happened was,
you got these two hands.
All right. So there we've got the Cunningham tool installed on the bushing, and the roller installed. And now we're taking it off, going on to the next one. Pretty easy job, you guys. Fortunately, this guy, this door might sag a bit because a little messed up on the door side of things. It's kind of hard to show. I'll show you after, but we'll do what we can for him. Here we go. Oh, Take two. No, it's latched. The latch is going to be a little funky because it was taking abuse getting closed. So like to do a full rebuild, usually you do like the latches, the striker. Oh, beautiful. She's sitting nice.
You get a video of it before?
Here we are under it. Look at the nice grooves still there. So all the bushings are out on the second door as I lay underneath it because reasons. So let us get these back in and then we'll show you what it looks like. It still sags a bit. We think he needs bottom hinges. So hopefully you can hear me thinking he needs bottom hinges there, or a bottom hinge. But it closes much better than it did. So one customer truck down. See if he ever needs us to do those hinges for him. But thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.